customer, along with the syringe pump, we can always use the heating pad, which can heat your syringe up to 185 degrees centigrades. Here we are trying to demonstrate how to operate this heat controller, though it's a very simple device. Make sure that the power that is fed into the controller is 110 volts, so never operate at 220 volts. This is a transformer which converts your 220 volts into 110 volts, so always use this. We have connected the power to the 110 volt output transformer. Now the heating pad we will wrap on the syringe and tie it, which we have to heat. There is one connector. This is a 8-pin connector. It goes into the 8-pin that's it. After that, now we are going how to operate this. It's a very simple tool. We will just put the power on, give the power to the controller unit. You can see that this is flashing. Press any button, so it says that 80, so it means that the set temperature is 80. If we want to set the temperature as say 90, we will increase it with the up arrow key and we will leave it at 90. Now if you want to start, press the two keys, set up and enter simultaneously. The moment you press the two keys, you will see that these two LEDs, out and active, both are lighting. The active LED shows that it is the controller unit is actively maintaining the temperature, and out is continuously blinking, which shows that it is giving heat to the pad. Once this temperature reaches close to the set point, you will see that the out LED starts flashing. It means that it is giving less power to maintain the temperature of the pad. So now, while heating also, we can increase or decrease the temperature. Suppose I have set at 90, and if I want to set at 100, again press the up arrow key. So I have set at 100. So the real temperature is 70. Now again I am making it 90, or I am making it 85. So my set temperature is 85. And my current temperature is 78. So it is coming closer to 85, and you see that the out LED has started flashing, which means that the temperature is coming close to the set temperature. With this device we can control the temperature up to 185 degrees centigrade. So I hope this is a very simple operation. Still, if you find any problems, please feel free to contact Unigenetics. Thank you.